Hello, welcome to a Map Business Online video tutorial. Just going to look at how we can bring in some of our public data that we've made available in Map Business Online. And you would go up to the typical plot data on map button like you were going to import a spreadsheet. And instead of browsing out to where your data might be, you go down below and you select that little button down here, select data you've already uploaded, and then in the drop down, get the public data. And so what'll populate down below is a bunch of data sets that we've included. And there's those post office updates down here. There's the latest 2015 update, October, right there. That'll give you a list of all of the zip codes and all the different types of zip codes. So you could work with that. You could also bring in the cities and town data. And I haven't even tried that here. So I'm going to just load that. And it may take a minute to load. You'll notice in the background, we've got the map data is actually, we're zoomed way in to the city level at the street level here, almost as far as we can go. And you can see building footprints in Map Business Online in addition to the street data. And so now we've loaded the cities and towns in here. What do we got? We've got the name, we've got the population, the place name, which is essentially the same as the name, and the state, the ID. I'm not sure what the ID is related to, and the type. So you could actually go in and pull out whether it's a city or a town, and there may even be some other types in here. If we click that, looks like there's some blank spaces, which may mean that we've just got some place names that refer to sort of, oh, there's, I guess, there was Puerto Rico stuff in there. So there's town, town, town. Looks like it's town and city for the most part in terms of types, and then there's a blank in there. And those could be just general areas, although those look to be associated with Puerto Rico. Anyway, so let's see what those look like on the map. We come back out to the US-wide view, and you can see these towns and cities everywhere on the map. And if we drilled into a particular area, you'd probably see more of them spread out to give you a sense of what towns might be included. And it could be a certain population range is included. For instance, I grew up right here on Cape Ann. So we've got Gloucester there, but we don't have Rockport listed as one of the records in that town. Now, if we went up here and looked at the data that we've imported or we include within Map Business Online, so let's just put on the cities, and we'll add that to the map. So now we've got the city data turned on. And if we go back out and look, and we uncheck city and town data, you can see written in with that shadow or some of the data that's there and the city data that we include as a data layer. So as we drill in, you'll see more of them. You can see Lynn and Lawrence. And again, I don't see where we have Rockport listed there. Oh, there it is. Now, once you zoom in, you get Rockport listed. And just, so everybody can see where I used to spend my Christmas Eve, it would have been right here at 19 Howard Avenue. Have a great Christmas, everybody, and thanks very much for participating in Map Business Online.